Hi there. Welcome to our first major essay writing module. This is Education, Equity, and Access, and we'll be reading about education in America and other countries where we focus on access and equity in terms of race, gender, and class and finances. I hope you will find it interesting. And I have posted a picture in this module under the prompt of a small school I visited on the outskirts of South Africa, Cape Town, South Africa, which was specifically for orphaned HIV positive children. And I bought a dashiki, when I was in South Africa. A dashiki is your typical traditional South Africa or Cape Town shirt. So, in this module, you will find a lot of readings. They are both as links and PDFs. You're responsible for reading them all. There are also some readings that are optional. And you will find the prompt posted there, both as a PDF that you can download and print and refer to, and there's also the version on Canvas. Finally, I have a whole series of different pages with information on how to get started writing an essay, brainstorming and free writing, how to outline and craft your topic sentences so that they relate to your thesis statement, and how to create a good title, how to create a good introduction, how to create a good conclusion so your essay all unifies and links together, how to use quotes and integrate them into your essay. I also have a sample student essay, 2 reading responses, and an explanation as to how to do a reading response or a summary, and a variety of grammar points that you can look at too, like fragments, run-ons, comma splices, etc. So, at any rate, I hope you will find this to be a very useful and interesting essay writing unit. It's your first essay for this class, and you do get to revise this essay. So if you get a C- or lower, you can revise this essay, no questions asked. And you'll have plenty of time to submit a rough, messy outline with your thesis, topic sentences before you do peer editing and then submit your final essay. So it's been nice seeing you again in this virtual world, so to speak, and take care. I look forward to seeing you again.